In a yard ruled by pause and play, one dog stands above the rest. He's not here to cuddle, he's here to teach. You see, this is Dad, the alpha dog, also known as Smokey. Amazon, the corporate giant, refers to him as Old Smoke, patient and totally unshakable. The puppies, mischievous, relentless, but no match for his calm, undeniable leadership. One by one, they test his authority, and one by one they submit. They bow, they learn, they know. Dad doesn't play, he leads. Watch as he consistently attends to each puppy with respect. Notice how each puppy bows, leaving no doubt about who is leading this yard.